The SG901 MAX GPS Drone is a professional-grade quadcopter that combines high-resolution aerial photography with advanced flight safety features. This drone, from the brand LIEI, is designed for enthusiasts and hobbyists who want a reliable and capable flying machine. With a powerful 4K camera, GPS return, and innovative laser obstacle avoidance, the SG901 MAX offers a premium and secure flying experience. Professional 4K camera with optical zoom. The SG901 MAX is equipped with a 4K 4096 by 2160 HD camera that captures stunningly detailed photos and videos. This camera features a 50x optical zoom ratio, allowing you to get up close to distant subjects without losing image quality. The sensor size is 3.0 inches, and it boasts a pixel count between 4.01 to 5 million, ensuring high-quality visuals. The camera can record video at 25 frames per second, and the output is in the widely compatible MP4 format. Advanced obstacle avoidance and GPS. Safety is a primary focus of the SG901 Maximum. It features a sophisticated laser avoidance system, which uses laser sensors to detect obstacles and help the drone automatically navigate around them. This, combined with the built-in GPS for precise positioning, provides a stable and secure flight. The drone also features a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, ensuring a high level of protection from all directions. Powerful brushless motor and long endurance. The drone is powered by a brushless motor, which offers superior performance, greater efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. The drone's 3.7V 3800 mAh battery provides a long action time of 25 minutes, allowing for extended flights to capture all your desired content. The battery is also removable and replaceable, so you can easily carry spares to extend your flight sessions. Long-range connectivity and control. The SG901 MAX operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, providing a reliable and stable connection. It has an impressive remote distance of 2000 m, allowing you to explore vast areas. The drone is controlled via an app controller and also features a display control, which likely refers to an integrated screen on the remote or a display for telemetry data. User-friendly design and portability. Weighing just 196 grams, the SG901 MAX is lightweight and easy to handle. Its design includes an integrated propeller guard for added safety, and it's suitable for users aged 14 and up. Its compact size and weight, with a max takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram, make it a highly portable and convenient drone. In summary, the SG901 MAX GPS Drone is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a professional and feature-rich quadcopter. Its combination of a powerful 4K camera with 50x optical zoom, advanced laser obstacle avoidance, and long flight endurance makes it a top contender in its class. With its GPS functionality and user-friendly design, the SG901 MAX is an excellent tool for aerial photography enthusiasts who want to capture stunning visuals with confidence and precision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and aerial footage tests.